and is related to the high-level conference to address the out-of-school children crisis in West Africa. West Africa is facing a critical challenge with a significant number of children out of school, exacerbated by socioeconomic factors, conflicts, and health crisis. In response, a consortium of learning research firms and think tanks, including Associates for Change, Ghana, Center for the Study of Economics of Africa, Nigeria, and Dalan Development Consultants, Sierra Leone, have been investigating and evaluating accelerated education and complementary basic education innovations over the past 4 years. Their efforts aimed to reduce the number of out-of-school children across the region, with a special focus on girls' education models. To further these efforts, the consortium is organizing a high-level conference titled Tackling the Out-of-School Challenge in West Africa: Research Evidence to Drive Action and Investment. The event will take place on June 11th and 12th, 2024 at La Palm Royal Beach Hotel in Accra, here in Ghana. The two-day conference aims to provide a platform for stakeholders from West Africa to share best practices, present research findings, and explore synergies related to accelerated education programs, AEPs. The event seeks to foster dialogue, collaboration, and mutual learning among governments, non-governmental organizations, education researchers, and development partners, driving collective action towards ensuring inclusive and equitable quality education for all children in West Africa. These are the key objectives. 1. Encourage stakeholders to fully invest in and integrate accelerated education programs, AEPs, into existing education systems, ensuring out-of-school children receive quality education that meets national standards. 2. Highlight the increasing number of out-of-school children, the need for sustained investment, the cost of addressing this issue, and the consequences of not taking action. 3. Provide a platform for sharing innovative curricula, effective policies, and strategies from across West Africa to enhance best practices in addressing out-of-school children's challenges, with insights from Burkina Faso and Mali. The high-level conference will focus on several themes. These are the themes. First, or 1, showcasing research evidence. The event will present research on the effectiveness of accelerated education programs and complementary basic education, CB, in Ghana, Nigeria, and Sierra Leone, highlighting key insights, success stories, and challenges. Best practices. That's number 2. Interactive panels will share innovative strategies, policies, and programs that address barriers to education, offering effective approaches and lessons learned. 3. AEPs as a viable solution. Discussions will explore scaling up AEPs. AEPs means accelerated education programs, including curriculum adaptation, teacher training, community involvement, and technology integration as practical solutions for educating out-of-school children in West Africa. 4. Synergies and collaborative efforts. Lessons or sessions will highlight collaborative efforts among governments, NGOs, and international partners, showcasing success stories of cross-border cooperation. 5. Path forward. Roundtable discussions will focus on policy implications and planning a joint roadmap for accelerated education, in rural and impoverished areas, emphasizing sustainability and resource mobilization. The expected outcomes of this high-level meeting include an enhanced understanding of effective practices and research on out-of-school children, strengthening partnerships and cooperation among education stakeholders, the development of a collective action plan to reduce the number of out-of-school children in West Africa, and a commitment to implement and support evidence-based interventions alongside the agreement on a regional framework for sharing curriculum and policies. The event will convene government representatives, education ministers, policymakers, international and education innovators, and NGOs, researchers, education practitioners, donors, and community leaders from West Africa and beyond. This high-level conference in Accra, Ghana, represents a pivotal movement for West Africa to galvanize action, share knowledge, and commit to collective solutions to ensure that every child has access to quality education. By bringing together a diverse group of stakeholders, the meeting aims to set a new course towards strengthening alternative education pathways for marginalized children in Africa. Thank you for your attention.